Joining us now is John T. Lay. He is a court-appointed attorney who is overseeing and liquidating Alex Murdaugh's assets. Thank you, sir, for coming on the show. Appreciate it. So what happens now that he's been convicted with regard to his assets?
Well, it's no different really than what we were doing before. It really doesn't have an impact. Our lane is the financial lane. Our lane is to find the assets, protect the assets, liquidate the assets, to create a fund for the victims of Mr. Murdaugh. And then they can make a claim on this fund that we're creating to, as best we can, compensate them for their damages. There's not enough money to solve all the problems, but there is a fund that will have a substantial amount of money available, and those folks can make claims on it.
Can you give us a broad sense of what kind of money we're talking about?
I mean, it will be a few $1 million where we are right now. But, I mean, we're not done with that process. We are coming to the end of that process. But it is relatively complicated. I mean, you have to pursue claims against folks. For example, if an asset has been transferred, we try to pull that back, and then we try to liquidate it. If someone is suing Mr. Murdaugh, we try to make sure they're getting in line with everyone else. Nobody jumps into the front of the line. Everyone's treated equally on the assets that we've created.
So is anyone fighting you on this? Meaning, are you the sort of the decider on all of this, or are there challenges going on?
So the court appointed me in this role.
Okay.
And the court, when they have a complicated financial situation like this, and this is a complicated financial situation, trying to find monies that are no longer there that may have been secreted somewhere. So we're trying to find those assets. But my job is to get it assimilated. How that money is distributed is up to the court.
Have you found any money that Alex Murdaugh had hidden away?
I mean, I can't get into the things because we're still in that process. I mean, I'm not in a situation where there has been a verdict. But, I mean, we are still heavily involved in trying to assimilate those assets, but I can't get into the details right now.
All right, fair enough. John T. Lay, thank you so much for taking the
Yes,
time
sir.
to come on the program. Really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
We are continuing our breaking news coverage tonight of the verdict in the Alex Murdaugh case, coming down about 2.5 hours ago. A stunning 2 hours and 50 minutes after they started deliberating. Sentencing will be tomorrow. One of the questions I have is, now that he's testified, what can he say in sentencing? He can't say, I accept responsibility, can he? I mean, is that possible? Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.